Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at this Milwaukee breaker bar, part number 48-22-9013. So this is 1/2 inch drive, 24 inch. And the reason I bought this is because I was doing a differential on a Toyota and actually broke the DeWalt version. Now, here's the DeWalt one here, and I'm going to show you some side-by-side comparisons. It's also 24 inch. Kind of, and I'll show you why I say that in a minute. But I broke the other one and felt bad about it, so I actually bought a replacement part here. So I have a video on replacing this if you've broken yours, and it's hard because that was about $20. It's almost the price of the breaker bar, but I just don't like tools going to waste. So anyways, you lay these down flat. Let me show you something here. As far as the length goes, take this out of the package. My first thought with this was, wow, this seems a little bit bigger. So here's the DeWalt one, and side by side, what you find out is DeWalt is going to measure from the end of the breaker bar to the top of this as it's extended upward, which that's not really how you're using a breaker bar in that position. You have it usually at the 90 degree as you're breaking things loose. Now, Milwaukee, on the other hand, as you can see, they're over 24 inches. And then when you flip this up into the position you'd actually be using it, then you're at 24 inches. So that's actually the difference between the two of them. Also, the head on the Milwaukee one, as you can see, it's a little beefier and cut a little differently compared to the DeWalt one here. So you can kind of see why one might be a little bit stronger than the other. They're both going to do the job for regular stuff. We were really pushing the other one past what it should have been, and that's where we really needed to go to a 3/4 breaker bar. So I bought one of these as well, because when you're doing bigger jobs, that's really what you should be doing, is stepping up to a larger drive size. But here they are, just kind of side by side, and I like them both, and they have different reasons that you might want to have a shorter one to fit inside of the wheel well, or other things like that. Here's the DeWalt one that we broke. So again, I feel bad. I never like breaking tools. But they actually just sent me a new one. So they did honor their lifetime warranty, but I just felt bad having this one sitting around, and so I paid the money to buy a new end on it. So they're all good products. I don't have a problem with them. And if you're using them more, to not really go past what they were built for, you should be fine. I do like the Milwaukee here, how they've put the name in this. This is a nice, pair handle, as they call it, that feels really good. The DeWalt one's nice too, because it's cross-hatched, and so you have some good grip there. But they're both really nice. Now, something we noticed as well is, they have kept that same design on all of them. So it looks really nice and feels really nice for the 1/4 inch, the 3/8 inch, and also the 1/2 inch drive. But we also noticed the 1/2 inch drive on this one, and again, it depends on what exact kit you're buying, but even if you look at the 1/2 inch drive there compared to the DeWalt 1/2 inch drive, you can see that Milwaukee's still a little bit bigger. So I think that's nice that they give you a little bit more leverage there. Here's another DeWalt one that was kind of the same overall size, a little bit smaller, but I think these two are kind of the most similar in size. So anyway, that's why I decided to pick this up. I just feel like if I'm really going to need it, that it'll do a little bit better of a job. But again, I'll go to a 3/4 inch if that's the case. Next time, try to put bigger drive size on it. But just want to show you guys that, and I'm excited as always to have new tools. So check the video description If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and I have plenty of videos that are similar to this in the playlist. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.